this flower and leaf, how to make, we'll see in this video. So for the first flower, we are using two colors. For center part yellow and petals this purple color. And here we start with magic ring, then chain, then we'll do single crochet around, total 12 single crochets. Then we change the color, so we'll work petal. In each single crochet we'll work half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet and half double crochet. And in the next stitch one slip stitch. Again in the next stitch we'll do petal, again slip stitch in the next. So like this in alternate stitches we'll work petal and we'll do slip stitch in between the petals. So first we'll start with the yellow magic circle. So start magic circle. Just one chain and single crochet around the magic circle. In from inside, this is 1, 2, like this, total 12 single crochets. So after completing 12 single crochets, close the magic circle, pulling this short. Just adjust everything. Now we'll do one slip stitch in the first single crochet. So if you count stitches here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So with this, these are the 12 stitches. So after this, make one chain and cut. Here don't get confused. Sometimes we'll count this as a stitch. It is not the stitch, last chain. From here you have to start petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We won't count this as a stitch. So from here we will work in each petal. So when I'm starting, I will start from the first stitch. I'll take the color for petal. So I joined this in the first stitch. So I'm starting working in the next stitch, petal. So for petal, first half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet, next double crochet in the same stitch, triple crochet in the same stitch, then double crochet, half double crochet. So this is one petal. If you see, we started in the we are working in one stitch, then slip stitch in the next stitch. So first just see, this is the next stitch. Here do one slip stitch. So here in the next stitch we'll work again this next petal. So half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, triple crochet, and again double crochet, and half double crochet. So for each petal we work all these stitches in one stitch only. So like this we get this shape, petal shape. So again slip stitch in the next stitch. So again next petal is coming in the next stitch here. Here in this stitch work all stitches. So total you will get 6 petals. So after coming here you have to do slip stitch in the first where we started. If you see this chain also, just leave it, because while closing this round we made a chain, that's why it looks like one extra stitch. So just leave this stitch. After finishing 6 petals, here at the starting point make a slip stitch. And one chain, pull and cut. So after this, pull this downward so that it will close like a knot, and from back side pull this into back side, and if you want you can pull magic circle little and make a knot back side. For all the extra threads, cut these threads. So after that just adjust the petals. So like this we will work this flower. This is for the flower pattern. So now we'll do the leaf. For leaf, these are total 21 stitches. So take green, start working 21 stitches. Here after 21 stitches, from the second chain, this is the hook, this is first chain, this is second chain. So in the second chain we will do single crochet. So in the second chain, so this is the hook, from the hook second chain, so this is first, second, one single crochet in the second chain. In the next chain half double crochet, next chain, and again in the next chain one half double crochet in the next. In the next chain one double crochet, 1 2 3 4. So next 4 chains one double crochet in each. 1 2, next chain, again in the next chain 3, in the next chain 4. So in next 4 chains one double crochet in each, then again half double crochet in the next, then single crochet in the next, then slip stitch in the next stitch. Again slip stitch in the next stitch. So again single crochet, then half double crochet in next, and double crochet in next 4 stitches, 1 2 3, 4. So these 4 double crochets are done. In the next stitch, half double crochet, and again half double crochet and single crochet. So here finish with. So this is one side, we work it like this. You can use this also as leaves. If you want small leaves, you can these two also as leaves. But to get this shape like this, you have to work other side also. So after single crochet, so just turn, we work on the top. Now we work here in these stitches, we will work. Again turn now in the same, here same stitch, do one single crochet, and in this loop we'll work here from here, and the next stitch will be here like this. In the back loops we will work the same way like this, all these stitches. So after single crochet, half double crochet, again half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, insert here, double crochet, continue till here. So last, after single crochet, just make a slip stitch and chain one and cut. Secure this to back side. So like this we'll make leaf. You can stick like this. You can put a stitch like this also.